what everyone wants, I think a lot of people want to understand what is that first step, or maybe, one, two, three
Hmm, hmm,
steps
hmm.
a non-tech guy should take, a manager should take today. Matlab, if assume he goes back today after this session, that what is it, maybe two or three steps, which usually I tell you, read about this or that. What are the two, three steps which you would say, okay, step one,
Yeah, I
step
suggest
two,
this to
step three?
everyone. Yes. So step one is read this book. It's called The Master Algorithm by Pedro
Okay,
Domingos. The Master Algorithm. It's
okay,
a very nice book that gives a very layman's and a broad view of AI, right? In terms
mm-hmm.
of capability. So he talks about the five tribes of AI, the
Mm-hmm.
statistical thinkers, the evolutionary thinkers. So how people have approached AI from many, many angles,
Okay,
right? Some people have looked at it from how the evolution happens, right? Genetic AI, right? Like how
right,
do genes evolve and humans evolve or whatever species evolve.
right,
Some people have looked at it purely from statistics and math angle, right? So
mm,
if you understand the five ways, perspectives that people have
okay,
approached AI, you will get a very broad idea from a conceptual
point
understanding,
of view,
right? So
right,
that is a
right,
very good book, The Master Algorithm by Pedro Domingos. Then
right.
there is a course that Andrew Ng has done. It's called AI for Everyone, I think.
Yes,
AI for all or AI for
it's,
everyone, right?
yeah, it is the
That is
best.
very good course. I think a lot of people have suggested that course. That is the right level to enter when you are in a senior role already and a domain expert. Then you will understand AI from an application point of view, the API point of view. And then from these two things, so one gives you a conceptual broad understanding of AI, one gives you a top-down application centric approach. That is when you will start to bridge the gap. One, and I think those two are the good starting point. And then if you want to do hands-on, we all know what to do and all these courses, but those two are a good resource to start with.